In this video, I will be guiding you through how to monetize Instagram account. So if we talk about monetization like we have on YouTube, where you do need to get a certain amount of views and subscribers to attain creator plan, which you do join using application and they pay you. So on Instagram, there is no as such option, but you do have few options to get similar features like monetization on YouTube. So for that, you need to head up to your Instagram and then to your account from bottom right side, and you can see we have our three lines on top. So here you can search for ads, or you can simply scroll down. You can see for professionals we have these options. So you can first of all enable your ad payments. So this is going to be helping you basically to have your ads onto your account, and the revenue is going to be generated onto your profile. So that is a way of monetizing your Instagram account, of course. Or what you can do is simply ask your, let's just say, fans to purchase different badges. So you can see if you search for badges, you will get badges once you have certain eligibility onto your account, which you get for subscribing different plans. So yeah, you can ask your followers to purchase those badges and you will be getting rewarded, and of course cash for that as well. And then we also have gifts and different type of rewards that are received from your followers and your, let's just say, loved ones. So you have that in your revenue as well. So these are some of the ways that you can use to earn or monetize your Instagram, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you so much again, and see you in the next video.